I'll be showing you the top price badge Shopify apps for your store. For each of these apps, we take a look at their features, pricing, and reviews so you can decide what's the best fit for your store. Our first app today is Conhit Price Badges and Icons, so you can boost sales with price badges. Overall, they're super easy to set up and they really stand out on your product pages. We can see here, this is just the regular badge. It's going to say sale, but with this price badge app here, we can really emphasize that it's a super deal, 48% off, and then increase the size of our price. It makes it super easy to set up and get a live preview. And in terms of reviews, it has an excellent 4.6 star rating with 10 5-star reviews. And to note, this app is completely free at the time of recording, although it looks like it just launched on February the 6th. Next up, we have Essential Trust Badges and Icons, which is going to let you boost sales with feature icons, as well as different sale promotions for price badges, and it's going to be a highly customizable app. There are 6 pre-made styles here to make it super easy to set up these badges. It's also going to let you upload your own icons, and it's going to give you flexible placement. In terms of pricing, this app is also completely free. And in terms of reviews, it has an excellent 4.9 star rating with 434 5-star reviews. And if we take a look at the review summary, merchants appreciate this app for enhancing their store's trustworthiness, as well as its professionalism. Its user-friendly interface allows for easy setup and customization of badges, including size, color, and placement adjustments. Next up, we have BSS product labels and badges. So you can get customers' attention with labels, badges, and banners, all to promote your products and boost sales. So you can add quite a few different types of labels and badges to all of your product images. You have huge templates for existing different things such as sales or advanced discounts to make it super easy to add onto your products. They make it really easy to customize each individual banner as well with a drag and drop editor. It's also going to give you multiple conditions for displaying, so you can have different labels on specific variants or based on the customer's IP address. In terms of pricing, there is a 7-day free trial on the paid plans, and there is a free forever plan with 2 labels and badges for 20 items and 50 plus free samples. From there, you go from $5, $10 to $20 a month. In terms of reviews, it has an excellent 4.9 star rating with 900 plus 5-star reviews. According to the summary, merchants appreciate this app for enhancing product marketing and customer engagement by highlighting products and sales. The customer support team is also noted for their quick and effective problem solving. Lastly, we have Prime product badges and stickers. So you can deploy an automated product badges and stickers to your products so you can highlight features to help users make fast purchases. They have 100,000 plus built-in icons. You can also upload your own images or create text badges. We can see here some examples for text badges such as 10% off. You also have different image badges for things such as cash back or today's best price. It's a simple 4-step process to create your badge, and it makes it super easy to display them on the product page. You can also have them on the product images or even the collection pages. In terms of pricing, there is a 7-day free trial, and it's going to start at $5 a month for 500 badges on unlimited products. It goes up to $20 a month on the gold plan. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 197 5-star reviews. According to the AI summary, merchants appreciate its ability to highlight specific products with custom labels such as staff pick, limited edition, and best seller. It's also praised for its user-friendly interface. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. It's the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations with tons of details and analytics, as well as metrics, so you can truly understand your store's performance, allowing you to make smarter business decisions. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok. There's a link in the description below to access the Shopify app listing directly. You can also find it on the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and then looking for this logo in the top left. There's a free 15-day trial, so you can also test drive everything for yourself. So this is going to conclude the video here on the top price badge apps for your Shopify store. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.